Are you looking for a solution to automate backlinks without paying a fortune for expensive link building agencies? Because I'll be honest, from my experience, most link building agencies are smoke and mirrors. They charge between $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and the results are often subpar. And so, in this video, I'm going to show you a tool that I've been using called Backlinker AI that's helped me land a ton of great backlinks and placements on .edu sites like this, Go Banking Rates, which led to Yahoo Finance, several LinkedIn Pulse articles, and so much more. So be sure to stick around for the full video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan. I appreciate you being here, and I help founders and executives leverage AI by scaling content, saving time, and building a strong personal brand online. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools, prompts, and even automation templates, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for this in the video description or pinned comment below. Now, if this is your first time hearing about Backlinker, this is essentially an AI-powered SEO tool that allows you to automate your reporter outreach, or media pitching would be another term for that, to help you earn backlinks and placements on various sites. And it only costs $300 a month, which is a fraction of what your average link building agency charges, between $5,000 to $10,000 a month from my experience, if not more. And essentially what Backlinker is it's an automated solution to outreach platforms like Feature.com, Help a B2B Writer, SOS, or even Harrow, Help a Reporter Out, for those who are familiar with that, where they are using these sites, but they're using AI and automating the outreach behind it, versus coming into Feature.com, creating an account, paying for the premium plan to get the actual good publications, coming in here and viewing the opportunities, right? Replying to those opportunities, so on and so forth. It's very manual, it's very tedious, and for only $300 a month, this provides a very good solution from my experience to actually go into these different outreach platforms and use AI to try to win placements for whatever your niche is. Now, they have here real results for our clients. So I've actually gotten links from Go Banking Rates, from Tech Bullion, Marketing Sherpa. I think I've gotten a link from there for a client. But you see here, they've gotten some links from other high quality publications. Now, before someone lights me up in the comments about this, I need to be transparent here and tell you that there's probably a less than 1% chance that a tool like Backlinker could land you a link on Forbes.com or CNN or the BBC or some other tier one publication. And that is where a legitimate link building agency actually produces ROI, in my opinion. Notice I said legitimate, because most link building agencies suck. They're smoke and mirrors, and they're probably using a tool like Backlinker behind the scenes and then just hiding it from their clients. But again, this will not land you links on Forbes or CNN. So just keep that in mind. If you think you're going to get this and pay $300 a month and get links from Forbes, that's not how this works. But you do get a lot of quality backlinks that do stack up over time. So just keep that in mind. So before I walk through the setup process for a Backlinker account, I first want to quickly show you the analytics and reporting that comes with Backlinker, so you know that I'm actually getting link placements and I'm not just making this up. And that's what I like, is it comes with a built-in analytics dashboard on the back end, so you can monitor yourself if you have your own website or your different clients' performance. I also like how you get automated emails for monthly reports. I think this was for November here. So this was for my client in November using Backlinker, 480 pitches sent, 12 selected, 14 pitches published. Again, I did not do anything here besides onboard this client and make sure that I optimize his description and onboarding process as much as I could. And you see here for the month of November, DR76, DR71, DR60, a lot of links in the DR50s here, 36, etc. And again, I need to stress this. You will not get tier one backlinks with this process. But over time, a lot of websites that are DR70s, 60s, 50s, etc., those do stack up. And we also have to talk about relevance here. Not every backlink is going to be extremely relevant to my niche, which in a perfect world, I would love that if every single link that I got was relevant to cybersecurity, IT, dental, or whatever your niche is for your client. But that's just not how it works. But still, I would pay $300 every single month to get results like this, as it does compound over time. So now I'm going to quickly show you how to set up an account with Backlinker AI for those who are interested. And I will leave a link to their website in the video description or pinned comment below, which is just backlinker.ai. So all you need to do is click get started now, and then this will take you to create an account. Simply enter in your preferred email, click sign in with email. You should get a message here that says check your email to log into your dashboard. So let's go to my email here. You should get an email that looks like this, and then click login now. And then this should take you to your dashboard of Backlinker AI. You'll get a screen that looks like this. How does it work, right? You can read that if interested, or you can just X out of this. And this is what your dashboard looks like. Whether you want to choose your setup as solo with one person, or if you have multiple clients, you can do the agency route, which is what I do. But for this example, I'm just going to show you how to set up one persona. And it's very important that you pay attention to this because I'm going to show you how you should properly optimize your onboarding and description to get the highest opportunities and backlinks possible, depending on whatever your niche is. So go ahead and click create persona. And in this example, I'm just going to enter in details for myself to get backlinks to ryandozer.com. But for you, this would obviously be where you'd put details for your respective client. So for full name, a lot of this will be self-explanatory, Ryan Dozer. And then it asks for a LinkedIn URL. So go ahead and pull that LinkedIn profile URL and then put it in right here. Now, quick tip before I go on any further, you want to make sure that your LinkedIn profile is properly optimized with the about, you have your job experience optimized, maybe you need to post a little more because it's going to be AI is going to be scraping your LinkedIn profile to help craft some of these answers. So it's very important that that is optimized properly. Then it's going to ask for your company name. So I'm just going to give it my company name, which is Thrive15 Media. Then it's going to ask for a job title. So I'm just going to do CEO. Let's just do CEO for now, but obviously it would change depending on what your client's job title is. And then for your website, I'm going to copy and paste ryandozer.com, paste my website right here. And then similar to the LinkedIn profile, you want to make sure that your website is fully updated, it's fully optimized, because AI is also going to be scraping your website to help generate answers for those PR responses as well. So before you go down the rabbit hole of setting up Backlinker AI, you need to make sure that your LinkedIn profile and your website is properly updated and optimized. So then if we come back here, now we need to enter in a professional bio. And to assist with your bio, I'd recommend using ChatGPT or Google Gemini for this, and you can enter in a prompt that looks like this, and I'll leave this in the video description below. I am setting up a profile for an automated backlink outreach tool, and I need a professional bio for me. Obviously, you'd enter in whatever the appropriate name is right there, and then say, I'm an expert in, and then you would insert your niche right here. I want a professional bio after research, 300 to 500 words, giving it context on my website, my YouTube channel, my LinkedIn profile, and then hit enter. Again, I will leave that in the video description below. As this composes a bio, you'll notice within ChatGPT, I'm also using agent mode so it can do more thorough research on who I am, what I've accomplished, my writing style, etc., so I can get the best professional bio possible. But for now, I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this is complete. All right, so here's a professional bio that Gemini 3 created right here, and I would recommend reading over this before you just come in here and copy and paste and then dump it right into Backlinker. You want to make sure that this sounds good, it's actually you, it's pulling in real things, so make sure you do that first. Or you could cross-reference the result that you got with ChatGPT with agent mode, for instance, and then find whatever bio that you like better. But for time's sake, let's say I've reread this and I've refined it. I'm going to go ahead and take this professional bio right here, copy it, come back to Backlinker, see if I can come back to Backlinker successfully. Let's see, you delete what's in here and then paste it. So you'll notice this is 418 words right here. And so then all you need to do after that is simply click Save All Changes. And then it's going to prompt you to go ahead and start your new subscription to Backlinker. And so what you would do, and notice that it's prorated. So what you would do is you would click subscribe now, and then you would go through the payment checkout process. Now, what's important about this is that I do have a coupon code where if you click add promotion code for Ryan Dozer AI, if you click apply, this will get you 50% off your very first month. So I wanted to call that out. If you decide to go ahead and try Backlinker, make sure you're using my coupon code to get 50% off that first month. Now, obviously, I already have it, so I'm not going to go through and finish off this payment process and whatnot. But what I would recommend here is that if you are interested in Backlinker, I would give it at least 2 to 3 months. That way you can get those pitches out. Sometimes it takes a lot or a while for these big tier to get the responses back in order. So just give it 2 or 3 months. Don't try this for a month and then you get mad at the results that you got and then quit. That is not how a system like this works. You need to give it at least 2 or 3 months to see meaningful results. And as those results come in, it'll start to compound even more as time goes on. So that is my quick little overview of how to set up Backlinker AI. Again, you can find that link and my coupon code in the video description or pinned comment below. So that's my quick overview of Backlinker AI. And again, this isn't some silver bullet that's going to change your SEO overnight. I think this is really a good option for small to medium sized businesses or really any newer websites who are trying to gain some traction externally SEO wise versus paying thousands of dollars for link building agencies that get similar, if not worse, results than what a Backlinker AI would get you. And again, keep this in mind that you probably have a less than 1% chance with a tool like this. And it's not just Backlinker, it's any other tool just like Backlinker to get on a Forbes or a BBC or a CNN or some really top tier publication that a legitimate link building agency with good relationships with reporters can give you. So just keep that in mind. But if you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. If you found any sort of value here, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you going to try Backlinker? Do you have a better solution maybe than Backlinker? Really curious to hear your thoughts. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.